The orange cat versus the shark. Meet Chunky, the fearless orange cat, who thinks he's a lifeguard. Chunky wobbles onto the beach, spots people running from the water. Suddenly, a real lifeguard yells out, "There's a shark in the water." Chunky puts on swim goggles and belly flops into the ocean. A big shark fin circles him. Shark rises up, looking scary. Chunky hisses, splashes, and tries a karate kick underwater, but just wiggles. The shark opens his mouth wide, but instead of attacking, it sneezes. The shark, achoo, tiny fish flying out of his nostril. Chunky smacks the shark on the nose with a paw, then sits on its head like a throne. And that's how Chunky became the first cat to tame a shark. His crowd cheers on the beach, while Chunky poses proudly. Like and subscribe, and follow for more.